today it's a little bit gloomy, but we're gonna do what we gotta do. We're gonna meet up with the one and only JackUltraMotive, and we're taking the Mr. Dolly. Let's hit it. Oh, you got the same one. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Nice. I love it.
I got that.
Yeah, he saw nothing. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. So it's fucking raw. And it's light. It's like 2647. M3 colors?
Yes.
With the blue headphones? That thing is so loud that the headphones are like necessary. Oh, really? Alright guys, we're at XXX Root Beer. Got a bunch of cars, got the crew back here. Got JackUltraMotive here, my car, and Tim's M3. So we're red, white, and blue right now. There you go.
Fun little thing.
It's Ferrari top right there.
Oh yeah. Fun.
So it does. You don't got room to put anything else in there. Oh, there's
not
the
really.
pump.
No, it takes up all the
I saw
trunk.
the pump
Yeah.
right there. The crazy thing is the menu over here at this place. You order by car. You got Lowrider, Chevelle, 58 Impala, 49 Woody, El Camino. Crazy funny one is the fish burger is called the oil change. Transmission, get it? Oil in the ocean, fish, crazy. This place has been here for years and it's awesome sauce. Really good food. The burgers are crazy. It's a good meetup spot. Crazy. Let's eat.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
This is like the new drug deal. You see what I'm saying? It's like, what you got in the trunk? What you got in the trunk? I got that good stuff.
You got that bag?
I got that good stuff. Germex. The real shit.
So what's the mixture? How pure is it? How pure,
I
bro?
think it's 99 something. Okay, we all sanitized up for 4th of July. Red, white, and blue. They got the harmonica going. I love it. Dude, the back end of this thing, the Supra is so nice. I like that Supra a lot. I've seen one in white look real nice, but that is clean. The blue looks good though. All right, now it's time for the stance wars. All right. This thing, bro,
Next level.
is wild.
I don't even know his wheel specs, but like
I mean, you come back here.
Negative 48.
It just keeps on going. It just keeps on going. Actually, you can't even go too far because then you're gonna poke your hands out.
Well, I think they put that on purpose. And like,
Of course,
back
yeah.
up. You're going too far.
Yeah.
Bro, these are huge.
The rear pipe just keeps on going. The wing just keeps on going. It's literally like if you were to max out everything on the car, to go max wide, to go biggest wing, longest exhaust pipe, lowest to the ground, most camber. It's just like
widest back wheel.
there's nothing more I feel like he could even do at this point.
Yeah, it's extreme.
Yeah.
That is off the ground. What? Look at those exhausts. And look at that wing.
Well, I mean, they're 14
Oh, the trunk's
wise.
functional.
Yeah,
The trunk's functional.
Yeah, like up to here.
Right.
Yeah, and then it's not. So,
What's your name, bro?
Lucas.
Lucas. Hi, so man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
This
bro.
thing is crazy. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Hey, you know, I mean, that's what I tried to do.
Bro, this thing is off the floor though. You know that's off, right?
Oh yeah. And then it's got like a full interior too.
Full interior. Let's see that.
Yeah.
Full
You got Bentley Mulliner interior, right?
Yeah.
That's what this
Full
is.
roll cage, super nice seats, and suede steering wheel.
You would never think this RX-8 with this
Looks
and
like,
that has got a Bentley Mulliner interior. This is straight up exactly like the Bentley.
yeah, man. Wherever you like.
And this is an automatic.
Yeah, sadly. I'm gonna swap it though.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's gotta be.
Yeah, it sucks.
You change this whole thing around, like, I cannot see you keeping this automatic. And what's your thing, Stancy Pants?
Yep. RX
Stancy Pants.
Sick.
Shouting out Stancy Pants.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
All right, we're on to the next destination. That thing was crazy. These burgers are good. Now we're on to the next spot. Freeway, let's go. Jack's R8 looks real nice with that third light. I like that. Dope. And an airbag. Nice.
What the hell was that?
Damn, sparkling, man down. Our photo Miata was sparking left and right, so we got a man down. Is that what came out?
Brennan ran this over.
Wow.
Big girl.
From the big rig.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's the end was sparking like crazy?
Yeah,
So
this
it
is the thing that was sparking. It was just on the road and he hit it.
Hey, the one car I thought would start sparking on the freeway was this guy.
Yeah.
Hey, so did you hear it? You heard it like sparking and flapping?
Yeah, so we like merged into it, you ran over it,
And then we did it, and then it said,
and then it was just instant like, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It's a road souvenir.
Yeah, I'm glad you're okay, Brian.
All right, let's try it again. Dude, my eardrums are so gone.
I know, dude. I can't hear shit.
All right, world famous Dick's Burgers.
Maybe.
That was fun.
Have to go in now.
Not a head gasket.
Tell me about this GTR table.
You know, it's pretty lit.
Really?
If we had the Fujiwara wing, I could put on like cup holders.
Oh, yo, yeah.
See what I'm saying? Make some cup holders, put it here.
Are they old logo Nismo or?
Yeah, old logo Nismo.
Like $1,000, right?
Yeah, easily.
There are so many dicks on this skyline.
Yo.
Sick. Yes.
Hey, look at the back of the Freeway. What does it say?
What are the odds of that?
Enzo!
What are the odds of that?
Isn't that crazy? I just saw that.
sure
like,
you
just
didn't do
now.
that?
Dude,
Yeah,
hey, I was like,
that's it.
hey, who needs a sanitizer?